Hello. In this video, we introduce the pooled OLS model that is a basic yet commonly used approach in panel data analysis. We demonstrate this step by step using our own panel dataset. The regression results of which were reported in our article, published in 2025, in Organizational Cultures, an international journal. Panel data, also known as longitudinal or cross-sectional time series data, is a dataset in which the behaviors of entities are observed across time. To gain a foundational understanding of panel data, please refer to our previous video, titled What is Panel Data and Panel Data Analysis Method. In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform a between effects regression, using our panel dataset, which includes 750-year observations, across 79 countries, over the period 2006 to 2019. Our research aims to examine the impact of national culture on country-level entrepreneurship. The data for this analysis were collected from the Global Entrepreneurship Index reports, Hofstede Insights, and the World Bank's Open Database. The pooled OLS model is a basic yet commonly used approach in panel data analysis. It treats panel data, comprising multiple entities observed over time, as if it were a single cross-sectional dataset. To produce unbiased and consistent estimates, the pooled OLS model relies on several key assumptions. First, it assumes strict exogeneity, meaning that the explanatory variables are uncorrelated with the error term in all time periods. Second, the model requires homoscedasticity, specifically, the error term has constant variance across individuals and over time. Third, it assumes no serial correlation in the error terms. Finally, and most critically, it assumes no unobserved individual specific effects, or that any such effects are uncorrelated with the regressors, and thus captured in the error term. Violation of these assumptions, particularly the presence of unobserved heterogeneity, that is correlated with the regressors, can lead to biased and inconsistent parameter estimates, reducing the reliability of the model. The equation for a pooled OLS model is in the screen. While pooled OLS and standard OLS both rely on the same estimation technique, they differ fundamentally in data structure. Standard OLS is applied to either cross-sectional or time series data, where observations are assumed to be independent. In contrast, pooled OLS is used in the context of panel data, which includes repeated measurements for the same individuals or units. Importantly, pooled OLS ignores the panel structure, by not accounting for potential correlation between the error term and unobserved individual effects. If individual specific characteristics influence the dependent variable, and are correlated with the regressors, standard OLS assumptions are violated, and pooled OLS estimates become inconsistent. This critical difference highlights the need to evaluate the suitability of pooled OLS, before applying it to panel data. The pooled OLS model is appropriate, when individual specific effects are either negligible, or uncorrelated with the independent variables. This situation may arise in large samples, where cross-sectional variation dominates, or when the primary interest lies in estimating average effects, across all individuals and periods. Pooled OLS may also be used as a benchmark model, before testing for more complex structures. However, it is essential to perform specification tests, to determine whether pooled OLS is valid. The F-test for fixed effects, and the Briesк-Pagan-Lagrange multiplier test for random effects, are commonly used to assess whether a fixed or random effects model is more appropriate than the pooled OLS model for the data. Now, we perform the pooled OLS regression model using our panel dataset. Before running the model, it is necessary to declare the panel structure in Stata using the command xtset. To handle panel data, click on Stata's menu as shown here. In this case, ID represents the entities, that is countries, and year represents the time variable. Or, you can type the command here and enter. Note that Stata distinguishes capital letters, so you must type exactly the variable name. As the panel data has been handled, we can now run the pooled OLS model, using the Stata command regress, with dependent variable GEI and 8 independent variables. Type the command here. Or, you can click this command on the status menu for avoiding typing errors. The regression results can be used to test the research hypotheses. However, it is essential to perform specification tests, to determine whether pooled OLS is valid. The F-test for fixed effects, and the LM test for random effects are commonly used to assess whether a fixed or random effects model is more appropriate than the pooled OLS model for the data. For a clearer understanding of the procedure, please refer to our other videos on choosing between the pooled OLS, fixed effects, and random effects models. We finish here the presentation. Thanks for your views and subscription to our channel. And see you in the next video.